Hello everyone, I'm Jeremy, your instructor. We're going to talk about Chapter 5, and I'm going to make this one a little bit shorter, even though there's a lot of information here. We're going to start with social cognitive theory. Social cognitive theory really combines the individual characteristics that we talked a lot about in Chapter 4, about how individual decision-making happens, but combines more of those environmental factors. A couple key concepts, as you can see on your slide: operant conditioning, or vicarious learning. The idea that watching other people get rewarded or punished for behavior, that you can learn from that. Again, those things that happen around you. And also reciprocal determinism is that you impact your environment and your environment impacts you. Social network theory is the relationship between people. And often you do that by mapping. And so when you want to go into an organization and make change, you might find out who the key decision makers are, who the key influencers are, regardless of where they are in the power structure. Could be a secretary, could be the CEO, you never know. The individual at the center of your map is the ego, those around them are the alters. And again, the strength and limitation of this is that it's really good in small settings, like a company or a classroom, but probably not a community. So again, you can use key influencers to help change behavior. Diffusion of innovations is an interesting theory that actually your book talks about, started with seed corn, usually used currently with technology. You often hear about early adapters with new smartphones or flat screen TVs, new computers. So it's basically as people pick up new technology, new innovations, and then it spreads throughout the population. So again, it says the cited attributes down there, but when you think of it in a health promotion context, the idea of getting early adapters on board who can then influence and then let that information diffuse. This actually happened on a larger scale with restaurants taking trans fat out of their ingredients. And so right now, like McDonald's no longer uses hydrogenated oils to make their fries. Now this happened slowly. A few restaurants started at the front, and now it went from early adapters to early majority. Now it's kind of in the late majority stage. However, a lot of packaged food still has those hydrogenated oils. So again, it hasn't gotten to the laggard period quite yet. The last one we're going to talk about, social marketing. And again, this uses more business concepts to sell an idea to people. And the 4 Ps, of course, are product, price, place, and promotion. So again, using those 4 ideas to basically pitch and sell your idea or change to somebody else. So it's just a different way of seeing the process and trying to influence people. So looking at your assignments for this chapter, now exam 1 will be available in the second week, so it won't be available before Monday. So hold on for that. You'll see that when it's posted. Now there are 2 homework assignments as always. Chapter 5 is doing some research on, Chapter 5 assignment is a journal article that you're going to have to analyze. There are 5 questions about that. Sorry, I'm in a school. And then assignment 6 is looking up 3 articles you're not actually going to write an article, but you're going to research 3 journal articles that you could use to write a paper. Then on the discussion boards, week 5, you're going to discuss the advantages of social cognitive theory between health behavior model, kind of compare, contrast, see what do you like better. And then the last one is when community mobilization, which again we'll talk about on the next presentation, when maybe that's the best way to go as far as organizing. Thank you for watching.